Hello everyone. In this video we will be working with distributive property. So I have a binomial being multiplied by a polynomial. So a binomial is a mathematical expression with two terms. So in the first group we have 4v minus 7, those are two terms. And the polynomial is a mathematical expression with two or more terms. So since there are three terms in the second group of parentheses, that makes it a polynomial. So we're playing around with the distributive property. We need to first multiply this 4v, the first term here. We need to multiply it by this term, the first term in the second parentheses, the second term in the second parentheses, and the third number in the second parentheses. Then we need to take -7, multiply it by the first term here, then multiply it by the third term, and then multiply it by the last term in that order. So 4v times 6v squared. So 4 times 6 is 24. And v times v squared, you just add 1 to the exponent, that becomes v cubed. 4v times a -4v, please be wary about that sign. -4v. So 4v times -4v. 4 times 4 is, well, you have a -16. V times v will give you v squared. And then 4v times 1 will give us positive 4v. Now we take the second term, multiply by everything. -7 times 6v squared. -7 times -6 gives us -42. And since 7 doesn't have a variable, v squared just stays. So -42v squared. Now we have -7 times -4v. So -7 times -4. Remember, two negatives give you a positive. That'll be positive 28. And we take the v with us. It's positive 28v. And now -7 times 1 is simply -7. So now we have to combine like terms. More than likely, when you're working with distributive property, you always need to add like terms. So I'm going to bring down 24v cubed here, because that is the only term of its kind. There is no other v cubed or v to the third power term. However, we have -16v squared, and we have -42v squared. So I'm gonna box these actually, just to make sure we're adding like terms. So -16v squared and -42v squared. Now we're not really worrying about the v's, we're just worrying about the numbers, the coefficients. So -16, -42, since both of them are negative, we're going to add them. We're going to add them and keep the negative sign. So 16 and 42, that gives us -58v squared. Now the next set of like terms we have are the v's. So we have a positive 4v here and a positive 28v here. So 4v plus 28v, that'll give us positive 32v. And the -7 we just bring with us. There's not much we can do there. And this is our answer.